Windows play a critical role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home. In Little Rock's varied climate, where humid summers and cold winters are common, keeping your windows in good condition is essential. Over time, however, wear and tear can compromise their performance. Knowing when to replace your windows can save you money on energy bills, improve your home's value, and enhance your quality of life. Here are the top signs your Little Rock home might need window replacement. Difficulty opening and closing windows. One of the first signs that your windows need attention is if they've become difficult to open or close. This can be due to warped or swollen frames from moisture exposure, common in Little Rock's humid climate. Rusty or damaged hinges and locks, which impede smooth operation. Age-related wear and tear, especially with older wooden or metal frames. Struggling with your windows isn't just inconvenient, it can also be a safety hazard. Replacing them with modern designs ensures smooth functionality and improved security. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. Do you notice cold drafts near your windows during Little Rock's chilly winters or feel warm air seeping in during the sweltering summer months? Drafty windows indicate that seals have failed or the frames are no longer effective. This leads to uneven indoor temperatures, increased reliance on heating or cooling systems, higher energy bills. Energy-efficient replacement windows, such as double-pane or low-E glass, can eliminate drafts and improve insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your windows for signs of visible damage, such as cracked or broken glass, which not only looks unsightly but also compromises security and insulation. Rotting wooden frames, a common issue in humid regions like Little Rock. Chipped or peeling paint, which could signal underlying moisture issues. Replacing damaged windows enhances your home's curb appeal and prevents further structural issues caused by neglect. Condensation between glass pane. If you see fogging or condensation between the panes of your double or triple pane windows, it's a sign that the window seals have failed. This failure reduces the window's insulation properties and indicates the need for replacement. Modern replacement windows are equipped with advanced sealing technologies to prevent such issues. Rising energy bills. Old or inefficient windows are one of the leading causes of energy loss in a home. In Little Rock, where summers are hot and winters can be cold, this inefficiency can result in skyrocketing energy bills. Signs that your windows are contributing to energy loss include a significant increase in heating or cooling costs, a noticeable difference in temperature near windows compared to other parts of the room, single-pane windows that lack proper insulation. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient options can reduce your energy costs and make your home more environmentally friendly. Noise pollution. And if you hear excessive noise from outside, whether it's traffic, neighbors, or construction, it could mean your windows aren't providing enough sound insulation. Modern windows with double or triple pane glass and insulated frames can significantly reduce noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Outdated appearance. Windows are a prominent feature of your home's exterior and interior design. If your windows look outdated or don't match the style of your home, it might be time for an upgrade. New windows can improve your home's curb appeal, increase its market value, an important consideration in Little Rock's competitive real estate market. Complement modern interior design trends. Frequent maintenance issues. Older windows often require constant upkeep, such as repainting, recaulking, or repairing hardware. If you're spending more time maintaining your windows than enjoying them, replacement windows can offer a low-maintenance alternative. Vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum windows are durable, weather-resistant, and easy to care for. Benefits of replacing your windows. Investing in window replacement offers several advantages. Energy efficiency. Modern windows reduce energy loss and save you money on utilities. Enhanced comfort. Better insulation keeps your home consistently comfortable. Improved security. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms. Curb appeal. Sleek, modern windows can refresh your home's appearance. Reduced noise. Insulated windows help block out external sounds. Conclusion. If you've noticed any of these signs in your Little Rock home, it's time to consider window replacement. Upgrading your windows not only improves energy efficiency and comfort but also enhances the beauty and value of your property. Don't wait for small issues to turn into costly problems. Reach out to a professional window installer today to explore your options and enjoy the benefits of high-quality, energy-efficient windows.